काशी काबा एक है राम रहीम. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 15th Feb 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's talk about Scorpio ascendant. Scorpio ascendants, this whole week, you will be sky high and top. There's a strong chances for some foreign activities will make you happy. If you are importer exporter, you may get new order or some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Financial tie-ups will be excellent and better. Your savings will rise. Your source of earning will be developed. If you have a good Mahadasha like Jupiter Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha or Moon Mahadasha and they well placed in your natal chart, in your birth chart, you will definitely top. Your family will support you. Some long distance journeys will make you happy and you will blessed with a lot of gains through that journey. This whole week brings a lot of opportunities. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate days for you when you will be sky high and top and there is a strong chances for some foreign activities will knock you. You may go for some foreign travels or foreign journeys related to your business and profession and you will blessed with a lot of success. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel much relaxed and better and mentally you will enjoy a lot because Wednesday and Thursday, planetary movement is in your favor and you will enjoy a lot of good gains from your old investment. Your savings will rise, your cash flow will make you happy. You may help to your friend or someone may help you on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy very good time with your friends and you will go for some short trip. In this week, in this whole week from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb 2021, there is a strong chances for some trips or some foreign activities will active and you will feel blessed with the foreign gains. You just need to perform your best, do your work on time, don't do anything delay. If you do anything with a great delay, you miss the opportunity. You need to perform your best, put your 100% effort, and you will definitely, sky high and top. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. This whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling very low. Relationship with your father will be under shadow. Relationship of with your father or grandfather will undershadow. You're not feeling comfortable at your workplace. Your seniors are not going to give you very good results. You're feeling very down and upset because your energy level is very low. Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling unbalancing situation. Some financial unexpected expenditures will irritate you. But your whole game will be changed from Wednesday morning to Thursday night. You will feel much relaxed and better and your family will start supporting you. Blessings of your father will be a game changer act for you and relationship with your father will be on the better side on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, your seniors demand some more work from you and you need to perform your best because this is a bit struggling week for you. You have ability to able all this situation very nicely, but you need to perform your best. The more you put your efforts at your workplace, the more you get good results. Otherwise, your seniors are not happy from your performance. Sagittarius, be careful, be alert, and doing your all work on time. You will definitely rock. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn ascendants from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Your relationship is matter of concern. Relationship with your spouse or loved one will matter of concern. Your ego problem will create some problem in your personal relationship. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship or you are married person, be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to give some respect to your spouse and your business partner. Financially, you will be in a better position compared to last 2-3 weeks, but Mercury is still retrograde. So the planetary movement is not very promising. Capricorn, you need to be careful and alert. Don't use any wrong words. Give some respect to your spouse. The more uh, the more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get good results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. If you're a businessman, if you're a supplier, if you are any type of shopkeeper, don't show your trust on strangers. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. This whole week brings a lot of up and downs for you. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling relaxed. So you need to perform your best and must start meditation early morning. You will definitely feel much relaxed and positive energy. And but relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Try to make a good balance between your professional life and your personal life and must give some extra time to your spouse. Monday and Tuesday will be a mixed days for you. You're not feeling comfortable, you're feeling very low and disturbed, and sometimes you're feeling very disturbed because planetary position is not very favor. Relationship with a spouse will matter of concern. Even you can say some unnecessary arguments will create a lot of problem at your home peace. Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days in the professional front. You will enjoy good success at your workplace, but your personal life is not very promising. Relationship with your spouse will be matter of concern. You need to be careful. You need to be alert. You need to focus on your things. Do your all work on a right time, and you need to spend some time with your spouse. Weekend, you will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Capricorn, you need to be careful and alert. This whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendant. Aquarius ascendant, this whole week from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb, you will be a part of any problem. You will be a part of any disturbance. You are not feeling comfortable. Your spouse health is a matter of concern, or health of your kids will be a matter of concern if you are a married person. Mentally, you are not feeling comfortable. Monday and Tuesday, you will be in a deep depressed situation, or you are feeling very low and you are feeling very low energy because your family atmosphere is not very promising and your old investment are not going to give you fruitful results. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be in a good position in the terms of mental thoughts, but stop thinking too much. Just need to perform some good things with your family and friends, and must go for Lord Shiva temple every day morning. Try to go every day morning. You will be relaxed and chant the mantra Om Namah Shivaya 108 time, 121 time, 151 time. You will enjoy a lot of success. Aquarius, don't trust on strangers. Try to pay your bills on time, try to pay your taxes on time, and try to pay your rents on time. Otherwise, you will be a part of any litigation, you will be a part of any problem. Weekend, you will spend good time with your family, but this whole week brings a lot of up and down, lot of deep thinkings are there. You are not feeling comfortable. Someone may try to cheat you. So don't show your trust on anyone. Some long distance journeys will make you happy, or sudden long distance journey seen in your dynamics. So Aquarius, you need to be careful. I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants this whole week from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb 2021. This whole week, Pisces, you will get great success on Monday and Tuesday. Your all pending work will click, and if you are applying for loan, your loan will be click, and you will enjoy a lot of financial benefits. Your savings will rise and your source of earning will develop. You will get new opportunities. Wednesday and Tuesday, you are not feeling comfortable, but relationship with your spouse and your mother will be a matter of concern. You need to maintain a good balance between your mother and wife. Otherwise, you will be a depression or tension without any reason. So money matters will be excellent. Your business will be on growing side, and you will get a lot of success. Friday and Saturday, you will spend very good time with your family and friends, and some unexpected money, some unexpected earning will make you happy. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, you may get PR if you are already applied. You may get work permit. Foreign related things will active, and you will enjoy a lot of success. Pisces, you just need to perform your best. This whole week will give you a lot of gains, lot of name, fame at your professional front. If you are in job, you will get very good appreciation from your seniors, and you may earn some extra money as a commission. And this whole week brings a lot of good tie-ups with your friends. If you have a good Mahadasha like Jupiter Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha, or Moon Mahadasha, you will definitely sky high and you will achieve a lot of goals. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.